Hi, I'm Jody from Sportsmith's Tech Support Team. This video will demonstrate how to assemble an indoor cycle seat clamp and install it to an indoor cycle seat. Insert the threaded shaft through the clamp. Slide one inside wire clamp onto each side of the threaded shaft with the splines facing in. Install the assembled pieces onto the seat between the rails. Install one outside clamp to each end of the threaded shaft. Install one nut to each end of the threaded shaft. This completes the demonstration. Thanks for your support during our more than 25 years in the business.